We'll guide you through how to connect Google Colab on VS Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure that you already have the VS Code software installed on your personal computer system. After verifying that requirement, go ahead and carefully open your VS Code application directly from your workspace. Navigate directly over to the left sidebar menu and click on the extensions icon, which looks like 4 detached squares. Next, type Google Colab directly into the search bar conveniently located right at the absolute top of the opened extensions panel. Take your time to thoroughly look through the generated search results to successfully find the official Colab extension, and confidently click the prominent blue Install button securely located right next to it. Patiently wait for the entire installation process to completely finish. Once it is entirely done, you can safely close the active extensions panel completely. Now, securely go over to your standard File Explorer interface directly inside VS Code and properly open your personally preferred workspace or target folder. Systematically create a completely new file securely inside that specific folder and make absolutely sure to explicitly use the .ipyn file extension format. For a clear example, creatively name it main.ipyn today. Firmly click directly on that newly created .ipyn file to immediately open the highly functional Jupyter Notebook graphical interface right securely inside your active VS Code application. Look directly at the absolute top right corner of the active Notebook text editor and confidently click on the Select Kernel interface button. A brand new drop-down menu will immediately appear right at the absolute top of your active screen. From that specific generated list, clearly choose the provided Google Colab option. After properly doing that, accurately select the Auto Connect option to effectively initiate the secure remote connection directly to Google powerful servers. A new security prompt will immediately appear explicitly asking you to safely sign in right now. Securely log into your personal Google account if you have not already done so yet, and carefully allow all the necessary system permissions. Once you are successfully logged in and perfectly connected, smoothly select the standard Python kernel to entirely finish the initial setup process. Finally, actively try writing a very simple code block and securely run the new file to clearly see if absolutely everything works perfectly today.